Good evening, children. Today we learned about the topic natural limbs of the earth. The subtopic is about lithosphere. As we all know that the study which is related to the landforms comes under lithosphere. Now we are going to discuss about the assignment key of today's topic, natural limbs of the earth, lithosphere, dated 18/6/2020 of 9th class. So here coming to the first question. Explain how waterfalls are useful. Explain how waterfalls are useful. As we know that because of the heavy rains, that water which has been disposed or placed on the hilly regions are going to be fall down in the form of a huge amount of water, in the form of a waterfall. How it is useful in the sense, the first utilization or the first use is about hydroelectric power to produce about the electricity nearby the waterfalls. A cheap amount of the water is going to be taken. What is the meaning of cheap amount? In the sense, more water instead of moving any another locations. So hydroelectric power. Coming to the second usage is about earlier in the decades, more manufacturing plants and mills are located nearby the waterfalls. Why? Because for manufacturing plants and mills we need about more water. More and cheap water is available near only waterfalls. That is the reason we use waterfalls nearby we place manufacturing industries and mills nearby the waterfalls. And the third one is about like tourism. Yes, if it is about a good and beautiful scenario or scenery has been taken, many of the people are supposed to visit such type of locations and they may enjoy, especially in summer season. Many of our country, I am taking an example here, many of our country, in the southern part of the country, they move towards the north. Why? What is the reason? The first reason is about as they are not able to bear the temperature here. The second reason is about tourism. Because of more people are visiting to another locations, there is a lots of demand for the tourism. So near the waterfalls also a nice scenery is going to be taken part. That is the reason tourism is also going to be developed. In this pattern, the waterfalls are also useful. Is it clear, children? We are moving to the second question. Second question. List out the important volcanoes in the world. List out the important volcanoes in the world. Before going to the discussing about the important volcanoes in the world, just have a glance regarding how the volcanic eruption has been taken because of the lava which has been exposed to from the interior part. As we know that we have majorly three layers of the earth. The first one is about the crust, second one is about the mantle, and the third one is about the core. As the temperature has been risen, along with the temperature, the lava is going to be taken rise to up to high level of the layer. Means what is the high level? Topmost level here, crust. Where because of the collisions the lava comes out and where we get about the magma. So now the topic is about important volcanoes in the world. The first one is about Stromboli. Stromboli volcano taken part at Sicily. Second one, Mount Pelée, West Indies. Third one, Mount Vesuvius, which has been taken Vesuvius, not Vesuvius, Vesuvius, which has been taken Italy. Next one, fourth one, Fusiyama. Japan. So in this pattern, we have more volcanoes, famous volcanoes or important volcanoes in the world like Stromboli at Sicily, Mount Pelée at West Indies, Mount Vesuvius at Italy, Fusiyama in Japan and Cotopaxi at Ecuador and the next one Mayon in Philippines. So these are all the famous important volcanoes in the world. Now we are moving to the third question. Coming to the third, what are the dangers of living on the floodplains? Is it good living nearby the floodplains? No, it is not completely. Why? What is the reason? If more water has been taken, for example, because of heavy rainfall, if the flow of water has been increased, in the sense the floods have been taken, what happens? Nearby the floodplain regions, the soil is going to be completely mixed with the water and the hardness of the soil is going to be decreased. What happens then? It is going to affect to the agricultural lands, it is going to affect to the lifestyle of the people like who are dependent upon the rivers and those who have been gone through constructing the houses in the river bank. These are going to be affected because of placing or living nearby the flood plains. Coming to the answer, high risk flood on the flood plains. As just now I said, what are the high risk? The flood is is most dangerous, immediate and highly destructive. What I mean, highly destructive? Destructive in the sense it is going to be disturb the lives. So in the sense agricultural lands, for example, the crops are going to be destroyed. So these are all the major drawbacks living to the floodplains. Is it clear, children? Thank you. Thanks for the day.